So you just started a YouTube channel, and I bet you're refreshing that subscriber count every 5 minutes, hoping it's going up. Am I right? Look, I totally get it. I was doing the exact same thing when I first got started. But here's what nobody is going to tell you. There's actually a specific moment in every single video where viewers decide whether they're going to hit that subscribe button or not. And most creators, they are completely missing this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 11 ways to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. Plus, I've got a bonus tip that's going to create some serious urgency to not only boost your subscribers, but also to help you get more views. Number one is you want to make sure that you pick a very clear niche for your channel. And this might hurt a little bit, but trying to be everything to everyone is going to get you nowhere. You need to choose one clear topic so viewers know exactly what they're going to get when they subscribe to your channel. Think about it like this. People subscribe because they want more content like what they just watched. If your channel is all over the place, they can't predict whether your next video is going to interest them or not. But when you stick to a clear niche, every subscriber knows exactly what they're signing up for. You want to pick your niche based on something you can create content about consistently and for years. So whether it's remote working tips like what I do, cooking, gaming, or dog training, when someone watches your video and thinks, I need more of this, they're going to subscribe because they trust you'll deliver more of what they love. Number two is you want to hook your viewers into your content universe. Now, skip the long intro and immediately show people the value they're going to get by subscribing to your channel. Similar to what I did in this video. I got to it right away. Your opening 15 seconds should answer this question. Why should I subscribe to this person? Or why should I subscribe to this channel? You could start with something like, if you're serious about finding remote work, you're in the right place. I post 3 new remote job opportunities every Tuesday. And in today's video, this immediately tells people what they can expect as a subscriber. Those first 15 seconds should make people think this person knows what they're talking about, and if I subscribe, I'm going to get valuable content on a regular basis. Don't just hook them into the video, hook them into becoming a subscriber. Number 3, and this is a big one, you have to upload consistently. You don't need to do daily uploads, but you need to give subscribers a reason to, well, stay subscribed. Consistency isn't just about the algorithm, it's about giving people a reliable reason to hit that subscribe button every time they watch a video. When you have a predictable schedule, you can literally tell people, subscribe and I'll send you a new remote job video every Tuesday. That's a clear value proposition for subscribing. People subscribe to newsletters because they know what they're going to get and when they're going to get it. You want to treat your YouTube channel the exact same way. So pick a schedule that actually works with your life and build your subscriber pitch around it. So if you can only post every Wednesday, every Saturday, every Sunday, whatever it is, stick to it. An example might be if you want weekly updates on X, Y, and Z, subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And if you're serious about turning your channel into real income, I'm hosting a free live training this Thursday where I'm going to share with you my system for monetizing your channel from day one, plus the strategy that turns viral videos into engaged buyers, and my framework for automating 80% of your channel. I'll put a link in the description so you can save your spot. Number 4, ask for subscriptions the right way. Now, don't just say subscribe. Give people a compelling reason to subscribe by connecting it to the value you just provided and the value you're going to provide in the future. Instead of saying, please like and subscribe, try something like this. I'll use my channel as an example. If this remote job tip helped you out in any way, subscribe because I drop 3 new high-paying opportunities every week, and you don't want to miss them. This connects the immediate value to future value. The key here is making subscribing feel like a smart decision, not like they're doing you a favor. Say things like subscribe so you never miss a remote job posting again, or hit subscribe if you want me to keep finding these hidden job opportunities for you. Number 5, double down on subscriber magnet content. Check your analytics to see which videos brought in the most new subscribers. Then make more content just like that. This is probably the most underutilized subscriber growth strategy on this entire list. You go into YouTube Studio and look at your subscriber analytics. Which videos converted the most viewers into subscribers? What do those videos have in common? That's your subscriber magnet content formula right there. So maybe it's your day in the life videos that get people to subscribe, or maybe it's your tutorial content. Whatever it is, that's the content that makes people think, I need more from this creator. So double down on that type of content. Number 6, design your channel to convert visitors into subscribers. Your channel layout should be optimized for one thing: churning casual visitors into subscribers. Every single element should answer the question, why should I subscribe to this channel? Your channel trailer should be 30 to 60 seconds explaining exactly what subscribers get and how often they get it. Something like, subscribe to this channel and every Tuesday I'll show you 3 new remote job opportunities you won't find anywhere else. Now organize your playlist to show the breadth of value subscribers are going to get. Create playlists like weekly remote job finds, remote job success stories, and work from home tips. This shows potential subscribers the variety of content they're going to get. Number 7, use keywords that attract people who actually subscribe. Don't just optimize for views, optimize to attract people who are likely to become long-term subscribers. There's a big difference between someone casually searching jobs and someone searching remote work career transition. You want to target keywords that show intent to stick around. People searching for beginner guide, complete tutorial, or everything you need to know are looking for someone to teach them long term. These searchers become subscribers because they want more education from you. In your descriptions, use phrases like weekly updates, ongoing series, or part 1 of many. This signals to both YouTube and searchers that there's more content coming, which attracts people who are ready to subscribe for ongoing value. And speaking of attracting the right audience, if you're a professional who's looking to turn your expertise into a real YouTube business, I'd love to chat with you about your goals. I am currently offering coaching calls where we can talk about your specific skill set and see if YouTube is the right platform for you to monetize your knowledge and create a clear roadmap for your channel's success. So if you're serious about building authority and income through YouTube, then I'll put a link below in the description and you can schedule your call today. Number 8, create subscribe-worthy evergreen content. Make content so valuable that people think I need to subscribe in case I need this again. Think tutorials, step-by-step guides, and comprehensive resources make people subscribe because they want easy access to your content later. When someone watches your complete guide on X, Y, and Z and they get amazing results, they don't just want to watch and leave. They subscribe because they know they're going to need more advice in the future. And you've proven that you can deliver it. Evergreen content turns one-time viewers into subscribers because it demonstrates your ongoing value. People subscribe to creators they see as long-term resources, not just entertainment. Number 9, reply to comments like you're building your subscriber community, because it is a community. Don't just respond to comments, use them to show potential subscribers what kind of community they'll join. When people see you actively helping others in the comments, they think, I want to be a part of this. Ask follow-up questions that show you care about your audience's success. When someone comments about one of your videos, don't just say, thanks for watching. Say, what did you enjoy about this video? Or even ask them, do you have any questions? How can I help you? I'm planning next week's video and want to make sure I cover what you need. This shows the lurkers that subscribers get personalized attention and that you create content based on their actual needs. That's a powerful reason to subscribe. Number 10, create playlists that demonstrate your subscriber value. Instead of random playlists, create subscriber-focused playlists like new subscriber, start here, or everything you need to know about X, Y, and Z, or beginner's tutorial. These playlists show visitors exactly what they're going to get by subscribing. Your playlist titles should sound like benefits. For example, on my channel, weekly remote job finds, subscriber only tips, or the complete remote work course. Your playlist titles should sound like benefits. So example, if you're a cooking channel, weekly cooking tips, meals for $5 for under $20, 5-minute vegetarian meals, the complete guide to cooking with an air fryer. When people see organized, comprehensive content, they subscribe because they want access to your full knowledge base. Good playlists make subscribing feel like joining a masterclass, not just following some random creator. 11, create series that make subscribing mandatory. Design video series where missing an episode would actually hurt the viewer. You could create a series like 30-Day Remote Job Challenge or How to Start an Online Business in the Next 10 Days, where people need to subscribe in order to follow along. When someone is invested in a series, subscribing becomes essential, not optional. They don't want to miss episodes and lose the continuity of value that you're providing. And series create dependency, the good kind, where people rely on your content for ongoing value and progress. And here's a bonus tip. End with subscription urgency, not just requests. Instead of please subscribe, create urgency around subscribing. Say something like, I post new remote job opportunities every Tuesday, and my subscribers get first access to these before they're posted anywhere else. End with something like, I post new healthy cooking videos every Tuesday, and my subscribers get first access to these videos before they're posted anywhere else. Make subscribing feel time sensitive and valuable. Use phrases like, my subscribers never miss my weekly healthy cooking tips. Or if you have a specific subscriber amount, you could actually say that number. So join the other 500 people who get these tips first. Something like that. Make people feel a part of a community. You want to frame subscription as joining an exclusive group that gets special access, not just supporting a creator. People subscribe to get advantages, not to do favors. And getting to 1,000 subscribers is just the beginning. It's not the finish line. It's actually where the real fun starts. Once you have that foundation of subscribers, you can start building multiple income streams from your channel. If you're serious about turning YouTube into a real business and not just a hobby, you need to see how this all works. So make sure you check out my video over here somewhere, how I built 7 streams of income on YouTube and quit my 9-to-5 job. I dive into detail on how you can start monetizing your channel without AdSense. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.